And all passengers must meet the minimum height requirement. If you're traveling with kids, be sure to keep an eye on them. And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit at your feet, you should leave them with someone who's not riding. Oh yeah, and any passengers in wheelchairs must transfer to a limo train to join in this adventure. Well, I think that about covers it. That's the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
Please use both doors.
Welcome to Studio C. Please continue to move all the way to the left as you enter the studio. Aerosmith asks that you don't use flash photography, and please don't sit, stand, climb, or shake.
You got it. Hey, Mike. How's it going? All right, now bring your face up along with it. That may be a little too much. That's it. Right there. Perfect. I agree. You would. Okay. Whoa, we got company.
Hey,
wow.
Hey.
All right.
How do, people? All right.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey,
What's a hey?
What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this. She's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
Oh!
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah. Come on.
Make it happen. Give us something.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys.
Congratulations on those backstage passes. Please continue moving all the way into the alley, keeping up with that party in front of you.
So for your safety, pull down the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the limo train. Be sure to stow your belongings on the floor and watch your keys. Entonces, por su seguridad, tire de la barra hasta que se cierre con un clic. Mantenga la cabeza contra el reposacabezas y permanezca sentado con Hey everybody,
Cool. All right.
Traffic's jammed.
This will be interesting.
If you're stuck in your car on your way to this concert, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
This will look good, hopefully. Good. Which I probably get copyrighted music on this.
I hope that turns out well.
Yeah. Yeah, trying some new tech here.
Ah, okay. You have a YouTube channel?
Yep.
What's the name of it?
That's JohnYChen. JohnYChen.
C-H-E-N.
E-N.
C-H-E-N. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow it so I can see if I'm gonna watch you post it.
All right. You might be in there.
Please exit to your right and rock on.
Got it?
Okay.